Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can upload a custom font to Squarespace. Squarespace recently rolled out a new feature that allows us to upload our own fonts without any need for coding, which is really exciting, and I can't wait to show you how to do it. So to upload a custom font to your Squarespace website, first you need to navigate to the Site Styles menu, which you can do by clicking on this paintbrush icon in the top right hand corner. From there you want to click the arrow next to Fonts, and then you want to choose whether you want to update your heading font or your paragraph font. I want to upload a custom font for my headings, so I'm going to click into Headings and I'm going to click on the font name over here. And just here we have an upload button, and this is where it's going to allow us to put in our custom font. So if we click on that, we have this window to drag in our font. Just here it tells us we can use an OTF font type, a TTF, a WOF, WOF2. So these are the formats that it accepts, and then there's just a little note from Squarespace at the bottom to say only upload fonts that you have the rights to use on your website. So if you have a font that you want to use, that you want to upload, just make sure that you have got the correct license for it. But the font I'm going to use today, I'm just going to drag and drop it in. And this particular font only comes in one weight, but if you had several different weights, you could upload those. If you had italic options as well, you could upload all of those, but I'm done. I've only got this one weight, so I'm going to click on the back arrow, and you can see here I've got a new section now called Uploaded, and I'm going to click on my font, and you can see that my heading font has now uploaded to the custom font that I wanted to use, and it is as easy as that to upload custom fonts to your Squarespace website now. So if I just click back into headings, I just want to show you that we still have all the same options as we did previously for changing the size of this font. So depending on if it's very different to what you had before, you might want to adjust these sizes up or down according to what you think looks good on your website. So you've still got all those options. Text transform, you can still make it all uppercase or all lowercase. I'm going to leave that as normal. So that's it. You can use your custom font across your website. If you found this video useful, please remember to give it a like. Please also remember to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any other Squarespace tutorials. I've left a link to my Squarespace website checklist in the description box below. You can download it for free if you're building your own Squarespace website. Thank you so much for watching, and I wish you all the very best with your website.